In this video I'm going to show you how you can very quickly work out, or at least estimate, the t-half from data such as this we have here. So what you do is you simply copy this data, Control C, and then you go over to Excel and paste it in Excel like this. Then there's a number of things you can do. You can plot this graphically. So here's our data. You can then simply highlight. I seem to have got ink instead of. So simply highlight this area and then go to Insert Graph. But you don't want this type of graph, you want one of these XY plots, and then plot it like that. Okay, or maybe this one here. So as you can see, that's a curve. So what you might want to do is simply extrapolate up by I, and you get to just about above 40. The other thing you can do is to double click these axes and then plot this as a logarithmic scale, and then you can go back here and work out the value here, but that's a bit harder because you're now back in log space. So it might be easy just to do it the way you did before. There's another way of doing it actually, which exploits what this is an exponential curve. So in fact, each of these is going down by the same proportion. So there's a simple formula you can do to get the point of 0, and that is you want to multiply this number here by the ratio of these two numbers. So the formula for that is equals then this number times this number divided by the one below, and that gives you a value of 42. So that gives you a t0 of 42, and then to get the actual t, so the half time, the one way of doing it is to pick a value here which is easy to divide by 2, let's say 20. So you want to know how long does it take to go from 20 to 10. Well, that's roughly to here. So that's from 80 to 140, which is about 60 minutes. Or from 42 to 21, which is around about here, which is about 80 minutes. So these are all estimates because we're sort of like quantum numbers, almost, if you like. So you can do a simple guess like that, and that's accurate enough for this kind of problem. So t-half, by working out how long it takes to get from one value to half its value, and the value at t0 by extrapolating back, or by using this formula here.